Oh, hello everyone, big game out and...
That's Crazy Life here.
Oh yeah, where are we today?
Today I think we're in a place pronounced Cwmbran. Cwmbran.
What are we doing here?
We're going to do some shopping.
No.
And see Cex and Charity shop comes.
Alright, we're going to go have a look around, find out how to get out of this place first. Well, this is all they have here. Not much, but... Got one in. Oh, they've got these charity shops. Whole 5 of them. Here we are. I'll find some actual charity shop somewhere. This looks like the tiny new bit. We're about to go to the old bit. We've got a fancy dress shop. All ready for Halloween. Whoa, look at that. Bit spooky. Place is rammed. I'm sure nobody in Wales works. Just everywhere we've been in Wales has been busy. It's like no one's got any jobs. Nerd, look, this place looks quite weird. This is... Have a quick look in here. Ooh. Shop. Christian books. That one was one of the charity shops, but we've got Tommy, your favourite, Warhammer. Oh, look at that. Very good shop. Right, let's go find some actual charity shops. Oh look, it's market day again. Wow. Keep your fruit and veg, keep your fruit and veg here. Fruit and veg people, fruit and veg. First up, British Heart Foundation, home store there. Got spotted DVDs so you never know. Go and have a look inside. Sadly, no video games in there. Right, next up we've got Bringing Care Home, St David's Hospice Care. Let's go check them out. Media games. Alright, next up we've got Cancer Research UK. Stand up to cancer. Add £1 to your purchase day. Help turn. Got a couple of decent ones here worth picking up. See how much they are. £3.50, you only get £4 trading. Pretty not worth it. Next up, the RSPCA went. Let's go and check out these. Right, next up we have got Cex. Let's go look in the window. Don't know like they got much in it. Got a pumpkin and PSP game. That's about it. Right, we've got some Silent Hill and stuff there. Little Halloween area. Charity shop, Tyre Haffen. Some Welshman, let's go and have a look. Decent. and that is Cwmbran done. I think that's how
Yep.
you say it. Right, well, I picked up one game here, so once we get back to our hotel, I'll show you what I've got.
Cool.
Right, on to the next place.
Yep, cool.
Right, back inside this lovely rented accommodation after a little visit to Cwmbran. I think that's how you pronounce it. If any Welsh people are offended, I apologise. So, yeah, it was only 5 charity shops, labelled very clearly on that map, with not really much else there other than Cex. So, I looked around them charity shops, and the only one that had any real games of value was the, what was it, Cancer Research one, that's the one. Had Enslaved, which trades in for £4 in Cex, and they wanted £3.50 for that, so I could have made 50p profit on that. And they had Black Ops 2, which trades in for £8, and they wanted £6.50 for it. I mean, I should have picked it up to make the £1.50, but I thought I'd leave that. I've already picked up a copy on this little road trip of Black Ops 2, so for only £4 rather than £8, so I left that one. But I did pick up one game in Cex. It's one I've been after for a while. It's a horror game on the PS5. It is Madison. That cost me a grand total of £20. So this is like a photography game sort of thing. It's probably a bit like Michigan Return from Hell, whatever it was on the PS2, where you're just walking around with a camera. But yeah, this comes with some weird bits in it. So you've got the game, but you also got some like little cards, a couple of them in there. There's a picture of them. I don't know if these are all of them, but there's them ones in there. There's I won't show you the code at the bottom, but there's like this thing here. I've just showed you most of the code. You can guess the last few letters, it's yours. Some like pictures. That one, oh, they're both upside down. Although they're probably right way up when I showed them. Yeah, it's just the back was different. For some reason, the writing's the other way around. And guessing this is like a little manual. Oh no, it's a little art book. So yeah, oh, look at that pair of eyes, look at that, lovely. So yeah, with like Halloween fast approaching, probably already gone by the time you're watching this, I thought I'd pick them up. Or pick this up, should I say. So yeah, let me know if you've played Madison and if it's any good. I've heard good things about it. Was it worth 20 quid? Maybe not, but I thought, you know what, let's grab it for the PS5 while we're out. So yeah, other than that, that just leaves me to say thank you all for watching. And as always, I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.